Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I thought I would share with you just, I don't know, a sketch of what I kind of envision my dream house looking like. I have a lot of thoughts about what my dream house is going to be like, and I thought, I probably need to jot everything down so that I don't forget what I have in mind. So I just have this like piece of paper that that I drew everything on, and I just thought I would share with you my dreams of what my house would look like. This might be kind of hard to follow, so I'm gonna do my best. Let's start with the bedrooms. I'm gonna try to put this up so you guys can see pretty well. So my dream is to have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. And this would be the master over here. It would have enough room for a king bed, 2 little side tables, a bench at the end to sit on, a dresser over here, the TV up here, 2 chairs, and a little table in between. Then there would be a door going into the closet and bathroom area. My thought is that I would do an above ground tornado shelter where that's like concrete, and it would be like attached to the foundation of the house. And so this would be a big walk-in closet, but also a tornado shelter. And then the bathroom would have, of course, the toilet, sink, and a shower. Same thing for the second bedroom, which would be like the spare bedroom and my office. I want to have an L-shaped desk over here with a day bed that has 2 little side tables. And then this is a hallway here, linking the the kitchen and the living room to the bedrooms. This would be a hallway, and then there would be a storage and a closet here, probably for linens. So that's kind of what I envision the bedrooms and bathrooms to look like. So, plenty of room for one person. Right now, I really enjoy having an office in a separate bedroom, and so that's why I wanted to make the office share with the spare bedroom instead of having it in the master. So, let me flip this around. It might be a little bit easier to see this way. All right, so here's the hallway, and then we've got the kitchen area and the living room. Now, I want a porch, like a covered porch on both sides of the house. This would be the kitchen, just a small table, an island in the middle with power, and then the L-shaped counter with the dishwasher and the sink and the stove. And then on the other side, there would be a wall here. My parents have a freezer and a fridge that are separate with a counter in between, and I really like that. So my dream would be to have, a separate freezer and fridge, so I have plenty of room for storage, and then a huge walk-in pantry. And then on the other side is the living room. And so I'd like to have enough room for an L-shaped couch. And of course, doorways going out to the porch. Carol Ann said probably sliding glass or sliding door, French doors, which I think that's a great idea. I'd have a table, like a coffee table here, 2 chairs with a table in between, maybe a cat tree here, the TV here, And then this would have a wall. I don't like really open concept. I don't like having the kitchen and the living room open. So this would be a hallway with at least a half wall, if not a full wall here. And then there would be a laundry room here with a cloak closet slash kind of mud area. And then at the end, a 2-car garage. So yeah, I have big dreams, but I would really like this. This is going to be, not I would like, this is going to be the last house I will ever live in. And I would like to have everything that I want right away, and then just work my little tail off to get it paid off. So, you know, it looks like maybe a lot of room, but, you know, I'm hoping to be, you know, at no more than 1,200 square feet. So I think it's definitely doable. But, yeah, these are just like some dreams that I had, and I just really wanted to put it down on paper so that, you know, I don't forget. Now, I have like a wish list, and my wish would be for everything to be like a Pergo kind of flooring, something really durable with the animals, and easy to maintain. All of the hallways and doorways would be handicap accessible, just in case, you know, as I get older, you know, if I am in a wheelchair or walker, I don't want to have to worry about any, about the doorways. All of the entryways would not have any stairs, but would have just a, you know, kind of like a ramp isn't really the right word, but no stairs, just an easy way to get up and down into all the doorways, so that, again, if I'm in a wheelchair, I can scoot on in by myself. And then, oh, I don't know if I mentioned, but I would like a 2-car garage over here. So I definitely think that, you know, this is doable, and, you know, I'm just really excited at the possibility of being a homeowner again. And I just wanted to share with you my dreams, and so that's it. So let me know down in the comments some things that you would like in your dream house. If you had the ability to build whatever you wanted, what would you want? How you know, how many bedrooms, bathrooms, materials? You know, let me know down in the comments. Like, in a perfect world, I would love to have solar panels and, you know, just to be sustainable. I don't know if that's a possibility, but if that's, you know, a dream for you, please let me know down in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. That's everything for me. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.